Hello my friend, this is LRZ. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you about how to start dropshipping easily on Facebook Marketplace. Before we start, consider to subscribe and press the bell icon for future uploads. Alright, let's start. First, let me explain what is dropshipping, because I assume you do not know it. But if you know the concept of dropshipping, you may skip this part. Dropshipping is a type of business agreement in which a manufacturer or a supplier sends products directly to the customer at the request of a retailer who advertises and sells the items but doesn't stock them as an inventory. You may heard about many marketplaces where you can sell your dropshipping products, such as eBay, Amazon, Bonanza, Etsy, likewise. But very few people know that you can make a bit large number of income from Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. This video will be a step-by-step tutorial for Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. If you really want to become successful, you must watch this video and must follow every step I'm gonna teach you. Step 1. You need to start a Facebook page, and I'm not going to waste your time by showing how to do it. I strongly recommend to select an evergreen niche which sells throughout the whole year, and it is better not to go for general products. To find my suppliers, I'm using Etsy as it has many unseen custom-made stuff which we can sell better than AliExpress products. You must have a chat with the Etsy sellers who are going to select as your suppliers and make sure they are really own it. Here I'm going to select homemade stuff as Etsy has many of them. If you want to select the same thing, I strongly recommend this niche for everyone who start Facebook dropshipping for the first time. Just go to Etsy and type homemade and put a space and again type letter A. You may notice there are more than 10 suggestions appear as a drop-down. Just take a screenshot and search one by one. Next, type letter B after the word homemade. Like that, you can do the whole alphabet and find many amazing handmade products to sell on Facebook Marketplace. To record the details of your suppliers, I have created this spreadsheet format. I will put the link of this on the description. Now let's see how to find a proper supplier and put the details on our spreadsheet. I'm going to type homemade C and select homemade candles. Now I'm going to select this supplier. Just copy the link of the product and paste on spreadsheet. Copy and paste the product title, price and shipping cost. Now you can enter your profit margin as you wish. Before decide a price, go to Facebook Marketplace and check similar product prices. Like this you can create a perfect list of suppliers. Now you have many products to list. Go to the spreadsheet and click the links and download some good-looking photos, also get the description. Re-upload those into Facebook Marketplace carefully. Mention your prices and shipping costs correctly. Remember, don't add more than 5 products per day. The most special thing you need to remember is, choose suppliers from your own country to avoid from shipping issues and not to get suspended on Facebook Marketplace. Now you know almost everything. If you need any other help, please comment below. That's all for today. Goodbye.